Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Guys, if you're serious about growing your food natural, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get some great videos about growing your food natural without any synthetic fertilizer, everything natural. All right, on this channel we teach and explain, we do live session, and we break down from A to Z in organic garden. So today, what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna show you a demonstration of how we feed our soil. And this is very important. This is also a way how to keep your soil moist. This is also a way how your plants can be sucking nutrients and also sucking the moisture out of the soil even though there's no rain for a period of time. So let me walk around and show you first what we're doing. Basically, we're doing beds, rows. We're creating rows. We're not doing the raised bed garden this year. We're doing rows. So as you can see down there, you're gonna see all the rows that we have going on. This is actually what we're doing. We dig in rows. Now I'm going to show you in a few minutes how we feed our soil with the rows. Even though our soil is already rich, we always believe in maintaining our soil and keep our soil going, because maintaining our soil is very important, because we understand that every year the plants suck the nutrients out of the soil, and if you don't maintain that, what's gonna happen is your plants is not gonna get the nutrients that it need. So this is a row right here. As you can see, this is the row that we dig, and if you notice now, in the center of the row we dig a 12 inches deep hole. 12 inches deep. Now, if you notice in the rows, you're gonna see there's a gutter go straight across there. So when the rain comes, what happens? The water soak down. So when your plants is that deep down in the ground, the water that's soaking down in the ground, this roots gonna receive that water. So this is a very important way of growing organic garden, because remember, our plants depending on our soil, and we got to make our soil good enough, loaded with nutrients, natural nutrients. You know, synthetic, when we talk about synthetic is something man-made, put together. But this natural gardening is everything comes natural from nature. All right, so let's go through this, guys. Let's show you what's going on here. This is a tree bark, a tree that breaks down. If you notice, you're gonna see the barks them. This tree break down for several years. And what we did, we go down and we dig out the center of the tree and we get all this from it. So this is really loaded with nutrients, minerals. This is loaded with benefit right here. So like I said, our soil is already beautiful, rich, because we maintain our soil every year. But let me show you something what we're gonna do in our holes that we dig. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of these and we're gonna throw it down in the hole. We're gonna throw it down in the hole. In each and every hole we're gonna put some down in the hole. Right now we in the winter. So we still have 3 to 4 months left. We still have 3 to 4 months left before planting season come along. So what we're doing here, we actually feeding our soil. So when that time comes, our soil will be in great shape. You see how these holes deep, guys? The holes is pretty deep all the way down inside here. So this is what we do, guys. We take some and we put in the holes. This is how we feed our soil. Now, if you notice, guys, the rain, even it's rain, the rain is not going to wash it out of our soil because it's down in the hole. You see? The rain is not going to wash it out in the soil. So all these nutrients going to remain in the soil. If you just put it on the top, then it stands a chance of washing it away. But all these holes, if you notice, all these holes, so what we do now, we just add a little soil on top of it, just to cover it, guys. Just to cover it. So each and every holes, we're going to add some soil and cover it. So now this going to do what it do during the winter season into the spring. So when the spring come now, guys, what we do, we open up the holes them, wake them up, like take our fork, or you could even take a machete, or you could even take a cutlass. So in the spring now, you come and you wake it up. You wake up the compost down in the bottom, and then you start planting your plants. So now you know for sure your plant's gonna be getting that nutrient desire. You also know the moisture is gonna be getting the moisture because the plant pretty deep, and when the water come and run in the rows, what gonna happen? The water gonna settle, and when the water settle, it's soaked through the soil, and this is how our plants gonna be getting water. So this also is a drought tolerant garden because we do not wet our garden, guys. We depend on nature, and if nature, no rain is coming, our plants still stand a chance of producing well because it's still getting the moisture in the bottom. So this is a very good idea, guys. This is how we garden, and this is how we garden natural. This is how we feed our soil. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Please feel free to ask any question about gardening, and please feel free to subscribe and follow our channel, and let's garden together. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.